Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. My setup looks horrible, I know, but please don't judge it. But I'm showing you how to make slime. It's pretty easy. I just made these slimes. This is pink, which I will be featuring on my Musical.ly. My Musical.ly will be down in the description. So here are my slimes. There's one. I also made a blue one. It's a very, very, very pretty blue. It's like just very pretty and like awesome. So after the blue is the purple, and that's the only ones I've made so far. But I'm making black slime. Now, things you need for slime are some Tide laundry detergent. If you don't like, this is the kind you actually need. So if your parents don't believe you, then like, make sure that this is the kind you have. This is the kind that only works unless you use this other kind called Bounty. But this and Bounty are the only things that work. So, but Tide works the most. So I prefer, like me and other YouTubers prefer Tide. So then you need some just normal Elmer's glue. It can be clear, it can be white, it can be glitter, but just make sure that my slime's mixed, sorry. Just make sure that if it's clear slime, then let it set out for a few days, because like it's gonna be all cloudy if you don't let it set out. I don't know why it does that, but it'll be like all cloudy colored if you don't let it set out for like 5 days or something, or whatever, depending on how clear you want it to be. So I have a bowl right here, just a normal slime bowl. I have this, which I haven't opened yet. I'm just going to open it from the cap and pour a bit in there because I am making mini slimes. You can pour all of it, some of it, half of it, a baby slime like I did. Just like, you know, normal average. And then if you have your marker or food coloring, which I have a black marker, I forgot to show you that. A black marker. There's a cap right here, if you see where that line is. If it'll focus. There's a cap right here, and there's an opening. Just use your teeth or like scissors. It'll come off looking like this, and then it just comes off like that. It's easy or hard. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's easy. But anyways, so you see this thing in there. It's like a little sponge color thing. Yeah. You're just going to want to get that out. Which, it's hard to get out. I forgot to use what I was going to use to get this out. So I'm just going to try to use, there we go. Now, I have the marker. This is what it looks like. It's just like a little sponge inside with wrapping on the ends. So I just put it on my finger like that. That pops up, because that's the ink for the whole marker. So you're going to want to just first do that to like get the ink to come out. Better move my slime so I can actually show you. Just put those down there. Just here's the glue, and just push down, and you should see the color come right out. It's really easy. This is black slime. So after I got that in, I'm just gonna do this, and then I forgot my mixer. I'll be right back. I have to make this quick. Okay, sorry. Now, just going to mix it. mine came out looking like a gray, slash dark blue. I don't know why it came out looking like that. I'm just going to put some more mix slash ink in it and make it 10 times darker. Which made it a very dark color. But like, yeah. Get your Tide and just pour a little bit. If you add too much, it will form, but it will not be the texture you want it to be. It'll be all dry and sticky. Just keep mixing until you get a little like that consistency, and it's not watery anymore. But that's not when you mix. That's not just yet when you want to mix it with your hands. Just want to keep adding bits of Tide, because I personally don't like my slime being sticky. I just like it being that consistency that you like a lot. Like, you know, that cool consistency. Just mixy, mix. And then my slimes are expanding. And then it should look like this. Grab it and knead it with your hands. Notice this will not stain your hands at all. If you use Sharpie, it will, but you can't use Sharpie, so like, yeah. But this will not stain your hands. You just have to mix it until it becomes dry and not wet, because it's gonna be wet because you just added Tide to it or whatever you're using. But yeah, just doing this with it. I also have a gigantic sewer slime that it's called sewer slime because it's ugly and because it turned into like a monster slime. It's just glitter slime, but it looks like sewage water. But yeah, just keep mixing it like that. Your hands will get dirty, but this will come off. So, yeah. Thank you for watching how to make my black slime, aka kind of blue slime. But yeah, you will get black, just have a clean bowl and stuff. But thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to poke this for you, so... It pokes really well, so yeah. I hope you like this video, and I will be selling my slimes. So if you want to DM me on Facebook at Stacy Miller, you will find me. If you want to DM me on there on Messenger, you can tell me your address, and I will send this to you. Because these aren't rip-offs. So I'll show you these. There's this black slime. Very beautiful blue slime. Very also hashtag pink slime. And this purple slime. I'm going to try to make a bubble out of this just for fun, for a little cool intro. Okay, well, hopefully you guys liked the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, because I'm trying to hit at least 10 subscribers. Yeah, I know that's not a lot, but I'm still just trying to grow this channel. So, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. And just dab on them haters. Live life and be cool. Peace out.